Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how I achieved this cute little bob look with some leave out and a little bit of adult hairs. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel to see more videos, and of course comment below if I forgot anything or didn't mention anything, or anything that you have questions about. Just comment below and I will answer it. So let's get straight into the tutorial. Hey guys, so I'm back again with another UNice collaboration, and these were the goodies that were in the box. So this is the wig that they sent me. It was a 14-inch V-part wig. This is the V-part up close, and this is the inside of the V-part with the clips. So today I'm going to do a side part. So I'm putting the clips on a braid that I created up close, and as you can see, I already have my leave out that I'm going to use to blend the my natural hair with the V-part wig. So as I'm clipping, I'm just making sure that where I'm clipping the wig is very close to the leave out, so that way it blends really well and you won't see, you know, the V part or just any, you know, any tracks or just anything. And this is the wig. So the hair looks a little bit like greasy a little bit because I've worn this wig once, and I think it's my like heat protectant that I use that was making the wig just look shiny like that. But in the end, it still worked out. Doing my side part to just make sure that this is exactly where I want my natural hair to lay over on top of the wig. So once I've adjusted the parting, I'm going to just straighten the hair. I'm using a roll brush and my hair straightener, what is it, Remington hair straightener. This hair straightener just does the job and it does it quick, so I stick beside it. And look at how shiny the wig looks. Mind you, I have not put anything on this wig, okay? I've not put heat protectant on it. I haven't put any like shining spray, nothing. It's just the hair. And the only type of spray I've put on the hair is on my actual hair, not the wig itself. So this wig is just super shiny. Now I'm just making sure I add my heat protectant. This is the heat protectant that be making my hair greasy, but it's the only heat protectant that will make my natural hair just straighten, bone straight, and still blend in perfectly with this hair texture. So unfortunately, I have to use that. I just don't like how greasy that heat protectant is. So I'm gonna continue on, you know, flat ironing every single leave out piece so that it blends perfectly with the hair and my natural hair. Okay, so after I've straightened it, it looks pretty good. I'm super impressed with how well it blends. I'm just perfecting the parting space, and I also just want to make sure I like where my hair is sitting and just how everything looks overall. And then now I'm gonna do the edges. So when I did my edges, I don't have a good edge control. If you guys know any good edge controls, please comment below, because I really just wish I didn't do my edges. I used jam, and the jam made my hair greasy and it kept on falling apart, but that is all I had. So let me know if you know any good edge controls. But this is the final look of the hair when I was done with everything. Alright guys, so this is the final look. I wanted to cut this part of the hair, but you know, maybe when I wear it like this for a little bit, then I'll cut it to kind of give it like a shape. But other than that, I'm super impressed. Like always, UNice never fails. Do you see how perfectly my real hair blends with this hair? Like, this texture is not my texture, but it blended perfectly like always. I'm super impressed. I feel really grown and mature with this hairstyle, but you know, y'all could be the judge of that. Like, your guys' opinion is what really matters. So let me know what you think about this wig. All the details of the wig will be in the description box below. It took me like 5 minutes to get my hair like this, so it's really convenient, especially if your hair is already straight. Then you just clip it on, kind of pass through your hair, and you're good. You're ready to go. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys on my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.